dinosaurs and VPK.
Red tip, red tip.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you Endangered Animals. Please give a round of applause.
Woo! Quiet on the set, quiet on the set. On the red tip, stand on the red tip. On the red tip. This way. This way.
Hi, I am a zebra. I'm a high-risk extinction. Farmers, please don't take me in my land. Please don't take me in my grass. It will save my life.
Bravo! Bravo!
Thank you.
Oscar, stand on the red tip. Oscar! Oscar, stand on the red tip. The red tip, right there. Okay, go.
Hi, I am a tiger. I'm a high-risk of extinction. Please don't destroy my environment. You will save my life.
Bravo! Woo! Red tip, wait for Alan. Right there, right there. Wait for Alan. Go right there. Hey, right there. Go.
I'm a high risk of Please don't destroy my environment. Please don't destroy my environment. You will save my life. You will save my life.
Woohoo! Wow. Go, go. Shh. Quiet on the set. Panda.
Panda.
On the red tip, right there.
Hi, I'm a panda. I am high of extinction. Please find me not take away my land. You would save my life.
Bravo! Yay! Good job. Emily.
Nice. Wait.
He always going to die.
Matthias. Come. Matthias, stand on the red tip. Matthias, on the red tip. Quiet.
Nice job, guys. Nice job.